Hi, I'm gonna sing Really Bad Thing. You took my hand, you showed me how, you promised you were around. Yeah, that's right. I took your words and I believed in everything you said to me. Yeah, that's right. Someone said 3 years from now you'd be long gone. I'd stand up and punch them out. You're all wrong. I know better, 'cause you said forever and ever. Who knew? Remember when we were such fools and so convinced and just so cruel? Oh no, no, no. I wish I could touch you again. I wish I could still call you friend. I'd give anything. When someone said count your blessings now, they're long gone. I guess I just didn't know how. I was all wrong. They know better. Still, you said forever and ever. Who knew? I keep you locked in my head till we meet again. Till we till we meet again. I never get you, my friend. What happened? If someone said 3 years from now you'll be long gone, I'd stand up and punch them out. 'Cause they're all wrong, yeah. The last kiss I'll cherish until we meet again. And time makes it harder. I wish I could remember. You just keep your memory. You visit me in my sleep. Darling, who knew? My darling, you don't miss you. Who knew? Who knew? Thanks for watching. Bye.